Hello, everyone. Anthony McClure here with the AWS SaaS Competency Partner Program. I'm joined here today with Sridhar Adesumilli of SaaS Competency Partner at AWS Marketplace Integrator, Ibexlabs. Welcome, Sridhar. It's great to have you here with us today.
Thank you, Anthony. Pleasure to be here.
SaaS Competency Partners all have a great deal of experience in designing and building software as a service solutions, of course, including Ibexlabs. But can you tell us a little bit more about Ibexlabs and maybe what makes your practice different?
Yeah, so Ibexlabs, we've been a AWS partner for about 10 years now, including SaaS Competency for about 2.5 years now. We have had multiple competencies, including DevOps, managed services, level 1 MSSP, and security. Security and SaaS is one of our differentiators as a partner, as well as being part of many service delivery programs, as well as well-architected programs. So we take a very comprehensive approach while working with customers who want to not just build products on AWS, but also go to market with AWS. So our entire practice is built around the journey of a B2B SaaS ISV while working with AWS.
Fantastic. And can you maybe share with our listeners a significant SaaS-related win, maybe including marketplace integration or SaaS competency capabilities that you've described?
Sure. One of the recent win we had with the customer is around taking them to the entire process of build, market, and co-sell. In the build process, we work with the product teams to kind of unwrap what it takes to be successful in cloud marketplaces, and kind of remediating some of their architectural findings, give them an understanding of multi-tenancy, as well as how customer pre-onboarding and post-onboarding would look like, and educating them on best practices. We also then got them listed on Marketplace, as well as conducted co-sell workshops with their partner teams. So we took them through this entire exercise and get them not just software certified, but also co-sell ready in a record of amount of time within less than 2 months. This customer has already been seeing significant traction by selling on Cloud Marketplace, as well as building a co-sell pipeline. And this whole process has taken less than 2 months. Typically, it takes a partner of this size to go through the entire process about 6 to 8 months. So significant win for us. The customer is very happy for the support, and we should be seeing a success story shortly on our case studies.
Fantastic. And from what I understand as well, Ibexlabs has a platform, Labra, right, that you use that is related to that. Yeah, can you talk about that a little bit?
So Labra is a flagship product, and it has been built with some of our experiences working as an AWS partner. We saw some of the challenges beyond just getting listed on Marketplace. So that's kind of how we started building the product around, because we are a partner as well, and we do significant co-sell as well as go-to-market with AWS. So, and it is based on what we have seen, observed as a partner, and as well as talking to other partners as well. So what our product does is, yes, we can get you listed on Marketplace, but how do you align your entire partnership process or experience by bringing all of that experience straight into CRM, which is essentially where most of the sales and alliance leaders are, right? So beyond just getting listed, how do you then co-sell not just with AWS, but also other partners as well so it's a tri-party motion essentially.
And with all of that then, Sridhar, can you also tell us, maybe you talked about one significant win, but maybe some other customers that you've been working with that integrate all these capabilities?
Sure. One of the recent customers that we are very proud of is there's been a joint case study funded by AWS with one of our customers, IBM. It has been a very significant win for us. IBM has been doing co-sell at a scale leveraging Labra as a platform. They have seen 117% increase in the co-sell volume they did year over year, and significant time savings, both from their field sales team as well as the alliance team, driving about 90% of time saved by leveraging our platform to drive co-sell as well as marketplace transactions.
That's a significant win indeed. And of course, Ibex, we love to have you as a SaaS competency partner. Can you tell us a little bit how the SaaS Competency Partner Program has helped Ibexlabs and what its role has meant to you?
Yeah, so we want to ensure that it's not just about working with the revenue side of the house, while working with our customers, we're also working with the product side of the house. And it is an important differentiator for us because we also want to make sure the product is aligned with how revenue organizations are thinking of going to market. So there are a few challenges that product teams face. Like one of the simple challenges is essentially how do you integrate with marketplace? That is table stakes. Like we do help with that, but also ensuring like product teams are also thinking about security and compliance in mind while building onto cloud platforms such as AWS, as well as how does post onboarding look like? For
Mhm.
example, how do you meter and bill your customers as more and more customers are moving towards a task driven or outcome driven pricing? So we are working with the product teams pretty closely, showing how to not only just build the product but also drive revenue on through cloud marketplaces.
Fantastic. And you see the SaaS Competency Partner Program as being a key piece of that strategy?
It is a very corner piece of our strategy because not just are the many good things that come out of SaaS Competency program, but also being able to work closely with the product teams, whether it's the marketplace teams, whether it's the SaaS teams, competency teams itself, understanding where AWS is going, taking
Mm.
that messaging back to many of our customers and saying that, hey, here's how AWS is thinking over the next year or 2 years from now, right? And this is how we need to closely align with how the entire organization is evolving. So now it's not just about like getting this done.
Fantastic. Well, before I let you go here today, do you have any upcoming events or other ways that customers can reach out or listeners can reach out to you and Ibex Labs?
Yeah, so we have a very exciting go-to-market strategy this year. We most likely will be in all of the AWS summits as well as the flagship conferences such as Reinforce as well as reInvent. But also we are doing a lot of field activities with not just our current customers as well as prospective customers and educating them on this cloud new go-to-market. So you'll be seeing a lot of us in this new year.
Well, that sounds great, Shri. Well, thank you so much for sitting down with me here today, Shri, and I hope you have a great rest of your 2025 at Ibex Labs.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a pleasure.